Meet Steve. Steve's not allergic to sunshine, but his nose thinks otherwise. If bright light makes you go, "Achoo," welcome to the Photic Sneeze Reflex, nature's weirdest glitch. Here's the deal. For 25% of people, sunlight tickles the sneeze wires in your nose. Your brain gets the signals mixed up, like texting to your boss by accident. Oops. Blame your genes. This trick runs in families. It's like inheriting dad's bad jokes, but way more achoo-some. Warning: don't stare at the sun to practice sneezing. Steve learned the hard way. But hey, at least you've got a bright excuse for those random ahs. Hit subscribe for more weird body hacks. Or sneeze if you agree. No pressure.